Hello everyone. Let us understand about \s in small letter and \s in capital letter. So we know that \small s matches a white space character. Now, what exactly is a white space character? So if you just see here, if I just give \s, you see that it has matched this tab. So basically this is a tab and this is a space. Again, this is a space, and here you see that manually I have given 3 spaces. So if I just give here, for example, a space, again if I just give a space, you see that it keeps on matching that. Again, if I just give a space, it keeps on matching all these. Similarly, if I just give a tab, so in my keyboard, if I just press a tab, you see that it has matched this. If I write something, just give enter. Let me again give a tab. It has matched this as well. Again, if I just give a tab, it has matched this. Again, if I just give a tab, it has matched this as well. It can be a single space. For example, you have this simple space, or you can have multiple spaces, or you can have a tab, right? Now, in Whitespace, there are a lot of other special characters as well. For example, we have \t, that is tab character. We have discussed this. And we have \r for carrier's return, and we have \n. So in most of the programming languages, for example in Java, we used to add a \n at the end. So if you just give \n at the end, that means we have to print the next set of output from a new line. So it will give a line break there, right? So the same way we can use \n. And we have a form feed character also, that is \f. And most of the time we will be either using \t or \n. And those will be covered in next lesson. That is, we have a lesson on predefined character classes list 2. So there I have just discussed about \n and \t. Now if I just take this forward, if I just give \S, you see that it has matched everything apart from Whitespace character. Okay, so you see that it has matched everything apart from Whitespace. So here we have Whitespace and it has not matched this. Similarly, it has not matched here. And if you see, there are a lot of Whitespace character here, here, and lot of places. And this \S has not matched those Whitespace characters, right? So this marks the end of this section on \s in small letters and \s in capital letters. In the next video lesson, we will understand about \t and \n. So basically \n and \t are part of Whitespace, and that comes under \s itself. But I just wanted to keep a separate lesson for that, so I have just segregated that lesson from this lesson. Alright. So I will see you in next video lesson. Thank you.